Trout's ready. 3-2. He struck him out! Ohtani strikes out Trout! Samurai Japan, which won the first two World Baseball Classics in 06 and 09. Lost in the semis in the last two. They've spent 6 years preparing for this. And this incredible moment to finish it off as Shohei Ohtani strikes out Trout in Japan. He's the United States.
Woodpeckers can't resist damaged or untreated sighting. To them, your home is a drum set. It's not just the noise. Woodpeckers can signal deeper issues with your home. Wondering what those pecks could mean for your home? Check out our latest blog. Premier Group, protecting homes from storm damage and birds.